Namaste, welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Vedic and Pyramid Vastu expert. Today let's understand which is the ideal location to do the lift. Can we do lift as per the Vastu, or which is the ideal location to do the lift? See friends, actually this lift, washing machine, or the whatever the new gadgets that we are introducing now, it's a very new. Whatever we install in the house, so it is a disturbance only. Okay, so less disturbance, less problematic, that we will consider now. So actually ideal position for the lift is northwest. Okay, so why is the northwest? Because northwest is a metal zone. As per the Feng Shui, it is called as a metal zone. So lift is made out of metal. So if you install the metal item here, so it is 50% safer. But also the what is the nature of the lift? Up and down. Okay, the lift goes up and down, the energy is disturbed in the northwest. So again what you have to do is you have to place the pyramids, okay, and energize the northwest so that you will be in the safer side. Okay, even you can't take it as yes, this is a right location for the lift, we really can't tell. So this is a solution. Actually you can keep it in the northwest, but still you have to energize the northwest. That is far most important. So northwest again goes to the women of the house. Our mind will be fluctuating, she'll get head related problems if you do the lift here. See, again we are disturbed, as I told you, and see to it that you will not dig depth for the lift. Nowadays we see the lift which is from the ground level, floor level will get the lift. You can buy such kind of lift. So you're not supposed to dig the 10 feet or 5 feet, whatever we have to dig it for the lift. Please do not do that kind of digging in the northwest zone. Okay, so take care. Apart from this, any other option, if you ask me, like you can go under this location. Okay, east of southeast. So you can make the lift position here. So this is acceptable, that you can even here, if you do it, you have to install the pyramids, you have to energize your east direction. That is a solution for this generation. So if you need any kind of guidance or the Vastu consultation, you can contact to the below numbers. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.